One.
Humble, you're such a faggot. Holy shit.
Wait, did I just see you fucking cast? Was that really your opener, Humble?
No, I was trying to get aggro, a little bit of aggro on Pearl so you don't get it.
Alright. Thanks, dude.
What happened?
He fucking casted Fusion Missile as his opener.
Oh.
Airball?
Okay, this has it. And Zeki's coming to me.
Got it.
Board is loose.
Alright, get back in position. Zeki, other way.
I'm sorry, I don't.
It's on me.
Humble.
We're still good.
Wyson?
Okay, Nerville.
Alright, I got it.
Genzeki.
Board is loose on this or
Humble? And cleanse,
Cluster.
guys.
Atron.
I'm gonna cleanse with Aegis.
Yellow, watch
Top
out.
class buffs now? Oh crap.
Wyson?
Do you want to use class buffs?
Getting.
Coming to
Arrow,
you.
come here. Got
Go,
Arrow.
Zeki, go.
Zeki, what'd you.
I got knocked.
It's
I'm
okay,
back.
it's okay.
Send blue out.
Let me know when you want the stage buff.
Board is loose.
Now,
This or Dean.
Hit it.
Humble. And fire, guys.
Give it to Aegis.
Be smart about it.
I'll cleanse with you, Taylor.
Airdox.
Getting him first.
And is this me, or have you guys...
This is you.
Two. Two.
What the fuck? Are we really... Never mind.
Zeki, you.
Yeah, we may be a bit
Amazing.
behind on
Board is
DPS.
free. On this or Dean.
Shit, this is gonna be close.
Starting to yellow.
Fire, guys.
Taylor.
Yeah, whoop.
Push it, guys. Come on, push it.
Alright, we got it.
I need heals.
Oh,
I
Wyson?
stuck.
Come on, guys, push it.
Push it, push
4%.
Airdox has it. Zeki seems to.
Maybe kind of.
Just push. Good job.
Finish
Nope.
the thing.
Alright, we're good.
Yeah, finish Ricochet shot,
Okay.
though.
We're good, we're good.
Stack. Everyone stack.
He hasn't enraged yet.
Well, still, we should
Stack
stack.
for the
I'll
heals too.
pick him up. Got him. Got nerf upped.
My rotation got all messed up on that one too.
Zeki, get ready. Someone will be like, get hit like a truck. Like, really fast.
Okay.
Hey, we
Sorcerer,
taunting
you're up.
now? It usually should. I'll taunt him.
I just say we taunted for the
That's
the
fine.
rebounders.
I was just saying I will taunt him when it's available.
Okay, you got Aura.
Atris,
Thank you.
Atris, Atris.
That's fucking bullshit, dude. Like, do you see that he's targeting me? Like, I don't get it.
Yeah, that's
Sometimes you just want to kill Atris.
weird. Wow.
Sometimes.
Atris, I said sometimes, not all the time, dude.
Apology accepted.
Era?
We buried just in case. Sorry. It's going for Cloud Mine. Hit that. instead.
Oh,
I got him.
Rivik.
Yes.
I was just calling out that you were about to be hit like a truck.
I'll taunt him.
Aura down.
Got him. Nice. It's on me. Hey, we taunting?
Atris.
Oh yeah, shit, I should probably taunt him.
Damn, there.
Do we have a stealther?
Nope.
We can res again now, though.
Yeah, but we're gonna have to wait.
Fuck it. We're gonna wait.
No, wait. Okay, let's just go.
Well, we have to
Wait,
explain
wait.
the second part to Zeki.
No. We
Oh
wait.
yeah, that's a
I've
good
got a
point.
minute on my
Yes.
barrier too. Wait for that.
If
Okay.
we fuck up, it's gonna bug out and we're gonna have to reset. So we'll
Yeah, that's a
wait.
good point. Alright, so Zeki, cleansing and mouse droids are like your biggest priority, alright?
Mm-hmm.
All right, Humble and War Machine. You're actually Humble. You're in your normal spot. It's right there, right?
Mhm.
Okay. War Machine, you'll be over here with me. Aerodox, you're gonna be over here as well.
Okay.
Where me and War Machine are at. Go to where you normally stand. Tay.
He should be like right here, right? Or where
Yeah,
should he be?
I'm right here.
Okay, so
Tay,
where
where
should
are you at?
Sure.
I'm usually.
I don't know. Taylor should be here,
Usually up,
DPS
actually.
marker, and Aeroduct should be down a little bit.
Like right
so
there.
we usually don't.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and then
So-
Discerdine's gonna be like right here.
Yeah, I'm right here.
just make sure you're in range.
Priority is handling mouse droid.
Zeki, you're gonna be like right here. On
Both
this
of us
panel.
took the
And I'm gonna be right behind you. over
the
here.
DR on your aggro dump, right?
Yeah, I
Okay.
have that.
If you static barrier yourself, or if Zeki is able to static
Shit.
barrier, you should be fine.
And
I forgot
And then like,
to
Who's
tell you
calling out
guys,
the mouse droids?
I forgot to tell you guys to get the Cloud Mine damage reduction.
No, I have it.
Shh. Oh, okay, good.
Zeki, do you have it?
No.
it's okay.
Just try to have your
Healer.
static barrier ready for that then, if you can.
Okay.
Run into
Okay.
one at a time, remember?
Airveil.
If you
you
force
take-
speed into it, you shouldn't get pushed back on the first one.
Does
too.
barrier resist that, or that just makes him go to somebody else?
It makes him go to someone else.
It's
But you can still barrier, that's fine. Just like, don't die.
If you absolutely have to barrier to
Last
make sure you
resort.
don't die, do it.
If you-
Call it
just
out.
make sure you're calling out who it's going on, so we don't get like
Do we?
surprised.
Oh wait, are the mouse droids going to specific people, or
Can-
do we?
Random.
Can
Well,
I say
it'll-
this?
There's two to the
It's,
same.
Yo,
it's random.
If you
Usually
take
healers
two
and
mouse
range.
droids, you're gonna die. Like,
That's
that's
the
important
same
that
time.
people know that.
So, Zeki, they're gonna come from the four corners, okay? So you need to figure out where, if we call out your name, we say mouse droids are on you. You need to find one of them, and you need to go force speed into one of them.
It will
And then,
do a
like,
small
and then
CC on you,
after-
a knockdown, kind of.
And then after
Yeah,
you
it'll
get
knock you back.
exploded by one, start innervating yourself or whatever, healing yourself back, and then you're gonna get
Natural
exploded by the
preservation.
other.
Can I explain something or no?
Yes.
Airveil. If I call cleanse Atris, that's you.
Alright.
He'll get a debuff. There's two of them. One's a fire and one is corrosive grenade. And so the more important one is fire, and the less important one's corrosive grenade. But they both hurt. You'll if it gets on you, you're always cleansing yourself, and I call out cleanse Atris, cleanse Atris.
Okay.
Zeki, you're cleansing Rivik. I'm cleansing Kepler. Mercs, you're cleansing yourself. And if a deep one goes out and someone can't get it, you're back up.
Okay.
We have the cleanses, so we're gonna be good with the cleanses.
Just
we
worry
need
about
to handle
living.
mouse droids. Mouse
That's
droids
all we
is-
have to do.
Yes. You need to do whatever you can to figure out mouse droids. So if you just got mouse droids and you have absolutely nothing, this is probably for Arabelle or Zeki. You need to say something, especially to Disordine, so he's ready. So as soon as you take that first one, to get you back up to 80% or so for that second one.
And will we know we're gonna get a second one? It's gonna have a buff or something.
There's always
There's
two of them that
always
come
two
out.
mouse droids,
Okay.
They always go for the same person.
and yes.
I know,
do
but
about
that's
32K
like,
without
again,
the-
you
with
need to
the
take
outline
them
thing, I think.
one at a time because there's two that comes
Mhm.
out. But if you take both of them at the same time, you're gonna
Then
die.
you're gonna die.
Yeah. I mean, if you played a class besides the Sorc, you probably wouldn't die.
Atris,
but
something
if
I
you-
would recommend as well, which I think that you
Assassin's
do,
Creed
is
die.
I
Yeah, I guess I
would
could try it.
position yourself kind of, what is this, like 4 o'clock?
Okay.
So when the knockback comes, you're not getting knocked back to fucking Africa, you're going to, Europe or something?
That would be like Asia.
Also, do you want to? What about explain
maybe like Russia.
Aradox how stop DPS works?
You know
Oh,
the
yeah.
hostage
Story mode,
situation, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
We'll be trying to call out approximately when that's gonna happen. Just you can
So,
put
hold
dots,
off burst.
but don't
Do you have
Hit.
fucking Thundering
hit,
Blast on the move?
Yeah, I do.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah. Well,
Yeah,
if
if
you
you
if you
call
say it's
out-
coming out soon, I just won't use it until it.
Just
Yeah,
have,
don't
after
use
it
your
happens.
Thundering Blast at that point.
Yeah.
have your finger hovering over the escape
Or
button.
over the escape button. Yeah.
And in fact, try not to use any casted abilities when you think that that's going to be coming. Like it's okay to put dots on the target because dots won't, do the damage. It's okay to. You'll probably have like a GC or two when we say get ready to stop, and then you'll be stopping.
Alright, everyone come to the escape pod if you're ready, please.
But yeah, basically just be using dot. It's usually after a call that he does, so you'll kind of know.
Okay, I'll try to watch
Remember
Every,
our
like-
positioning
every, like,
on the
third call or
thingies? We're not gonna stack.
Yeah,
Still?
nobody should be.
Okay.
So like basically here, come over here. Like I'm gonna be here. You see me? See where I am?
Over here still.
Okay.
So I'm gonna be like here, and you're gonna be like here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Never
make sure
stand in-
you're
never
on the
stand, Yeah, never stand the same line back against the wall.
And just make sure you're on the console though. Like so you don't get knocked back, and then he leaps you, and
Yeah,
then that's the
yeah.
extra 20k healing that the healers have to do. Just make
Okay.
sure you are consistently. Sorry, were you not ready?
No, I was ready. I just
Kill the back
Everyone,
one first,
yeah,
please,
back one
if we
first, and then move up to the security sheaf, and move like up, please. So.
It's a good spot where I'm standing.
can. You and I flipped. That's probably fine.
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Right here, Humble.
Do you want to save cast buffs?
Yep. That's
Ray
fine.
buffs and adrenals and
Taunt him.
Pulling.
Mouse
Mouse
droid.
droid.
mouse droid.
They're on me.
Humble.
I've got a taunt, so if you lose aggro.
Get ready to slow. Well, not yet.
I'm flat. I'm gonna break that.
Should be about 80%.
I do not have a taunt, so you need to be ready, okay? Stop, stop,
Stop,
stop,
stop, stop.
Whoa, it's close.
Holy
I don't have a
shit.
taunt. Yo, can you get him back? And I'll get him back here. Got him.
Oh my gosh. Surprised you lived.
Yeah,
Get
I
back in
was,
position,
was
please.
before
was about to barrier.
Mouse droid. They're,
War machine,
I
war
just-
machine, war machine.
Taunt him. And I've got a taunt if
Yeah.
necessary.
Mouse droid's war machine.
Got him, got him. Kepler, please get in position.
Flash.
I'm trying to.
Okay. Taunt him.
I'm
Stop, slow.
I definitely slept.
Mouse droid.
Stop.
Break in.
Oh shit.
War machine. War machine.
Taunt him, please. I have a taunt if necessary. Do you want me
Okay,
to
you're
move?
calling
Alright,
this
I'm gonna
war
move.
machine.
You
Okay.
never.
It's fine.
No, okay. Damn it.
CC.
Got him.
Oh, when he leaps to you, don't move.
Yeah,
Yeah, he made double leap if you.
Mouse droid.
Mouse droid.
I got him.
Can't see him.
Humble,
They're on
humble,
me, they're
humble.
on me.
Clones Atris.
I'm stuck behind this
Got him.
stupid ass thing.
You got one more humble.
Yeah, I see it. I pop my.
War machine, clones Aerodox. Thank you.
Mouse droid.
Mouse droid's humble.
They're on me. I don't have anything.
Do this.
I'm coming to help.
I don't have hydraulics either.
Got him. Stop, slow. I don't have a taunt.
Cleansing myself.
Thank you.
I don't have a taunt.
Stop.
Atris,
Stop.
stop.
Yeah.
It's on Kepler.
I will taunt here in a second. Got him.
Go.
Can somebody explode that one? Atris, explode that one, please.
Got it.
I have a.
Mouse droids.
War machine, war
War
machine.
machine.
I've got a taunt if necessary. Alright, taunt him.
Cleansing myself.
Cleansing
Yes,
himself.
Mouse droids. They're on me. I'm going to them because you guys got knocked back.
Slow or keep going, right?
I say
got him,
push
got
through
him.
it. Push
Yeah,
through it.
push through it. We have a res, so
Aerodox, cleanse yourself.
I think we're behind a DPS and
Yeah,
rage at
we're
45.
behind.
Push, just push
We
through
gotta
it.
push.
And we need to get our res up immediately. Got him. Oh, I'm sorry. So awesome. Big heals on Stow.
Mouse
my
droid.
fault.
I already popped it.
War machine.
War machine.
My bad. Still.
Oh crap, they're both on me.
I got you.
Okay, push.
Stop,
through
stop,
it,
stop,
push,
stop,
push,
stop,
No, no,
stop,
stop,
just
stop,
wait,
stop.
just wait. We're good. We have 25 seconds. Taunt him.
I can't. You
Go,
get
go,
to.
go, go, go,
Go,
go,
go, go,
DPS.
go, go, go,
I'm
go,
clear.
go, go, go,
I
go.
told it.
Zeki, help DPS.
Enrage, hurry up. Mouse droids,
Yeah, I
Take
got
your mouse
defense.
droid still.
I got defense.
they're on me. I'm fine. I have cooldowns, don't worry about me. DPS.
Pop cooldowns when he enraged.
Got him.
Go, we're fine, Just kill it. Healers, DPS. Do not heal.
Cleanse Atris, cleanse Atris.
Cleanse though.
Someone cleanse Riken and
Good job, guys. No, we got it.
Kepler.
Cleanse is not yet.
We're good.
Good job.
Cleanse Riken and Kepler.
Good work.
Nice job.
Fucking one shot this.
Stay
There's the
alive
mouse
here,
droids
please.
if somebody else left it.
Oh my god.
That was so good. Great job with.
Good
I
work.
think it's because none of the Sorks got mouse droids that we.
Yeah, I
didn't
was-
play mouse droids.
It's like Taylor every time.
Taylor,
All the
dude.
time.
Can you guys get on my level of DPS? Thanks, man.
Hey, go fuck yourself, dude. I was cleansing. Oh. What the hell? Oh,
Wait,
you
it's
died.
Instantly
Holy
got
shit.
I got
so
res,
defensive.
I'm taking the matter thingy.